What is that, do you ask?
What is
Mark,
that?
can you hand me, just hand me
Or
one
do you
of
have the...
these? Yeah, it's right there.
Oh, yes. Okay.
Okay, so we have one each. Okay, so what does that say? I have no idea. I don't read Chinese. Moyu, I think.
Moyu?
Sorry, bad pronunciation. It sounds like fish.
Yeah.
But it
is
is
it?
in beef
Oh,
intestine flavored konjac. Konjac? Konjac?
Konjac. Konjac's
And
nut
konjac is
noodle. What is it?
basically a plant
Yeah.
that has like 0 carbohydrates, 0 everything.
Gotta be careful. There's like sauce or something.
And
It's gonna drip.
yeah, I'm thinking this is gonna be a 2-headed monster here. There's gonna be spice.
Ooh. It looks like the not the mala sauce or whatever.
Well, it
the-
looks like I'm already gonna vomit because I hate intestines. I can't eat them. And this is, why would you make
Yeah.
something
I don't know. just in
intestine
case.
flavored? Oh my god.
Oh.
See, the Vegemite keeps
You
coming
might
up.
think it's kimchi from far away. It's like got this orange reddish look.
Okay, so
Ooh.
let's try to
Yeah,
get
if you want to see it,
I don't
like
want to spill there, but oh, right on.
Oh,
right
oh
on
no.
that. That's okay.
It's
That's
dropping.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
Okay,
Down the
let's try.
hatch.
Let's try.
Down the hatch. That's a nice little English phrase for you guys.
Okay.
You like it? Actually, it's pretty good.
I think this flavor, they don't just put it on this, they put it on a lot of stuff.
Yeah, this could be anything.
Yeah.
This could be
I think
kidney flavored konjac.
yeah. All you're getting from the
I like it,
the intestine is just the texture. And then this
but it's not intestine.
It's intestine, right?
No, it's intestine
Oh,
flavored.
intestine flavored. Oh. Well, I don't
Intestine flavored.
what's intestine flavor?
I've got apparently this.
It's actually quite nice.
I like it.
Yeah. I'd eat more intestine.
Spicy, good.
Yeah.
Konjac, good.
Yeah.
Intestines,
It
not
works.
so good.
It works.
Yeah,
It
I'm
works.
kind of starting to taste the intestine a little bit.
Okay.
Why would you do that?
I don't know. Like I feel like intestines are growing on me.
And it fell on my computer, so now I got intestines on my computer.
It's not bad. If you're somewhere where you can't get intestines easily, come to Asia, and we'll help you out.
I like it. I like it a
Intestines
lot.
galore.
All right.
Yeah. Is that one? That one I was fine.
Yeah, I'm okay with that. I thought that was gonna be much worse.
But it is spicy though. It is spicy. Like Dad, no. You'd pop.
This is not spicy.
No, for my parents don't eat any spicy food. Zero. So they would not like this.
Maybe, can I need a tissue.
Tissue. Oh, I'm using all the tissues. I'm using like 4 or 5 tissues.
Mark's just,
There you go.
Mark has a tissue issue.
Yeah. Yes. Tissue issue.
Just trying to clean up a little bit. Just trying to make,
Okay, guys, next, let's see. Okay, you know rabbits, they're usually white. This is a candy made from white rabbits.
Nope. Nope. It's made from milk. It's made from milk.
Why is it called white rabbit? You know?
Well, I mean, milk is white.
Milk is white.
It's not rabbit's milk. It's not made from rabbit's milk.
Milk
It's
is
made
white,
from
rabbits are white. Just make the connection, guys.
White rabbit right there.
White.
So don't give this to your kids because it
Definitely
gets
white.
stuck in their teeth.
Yeah,
and
it is a white
I've
one.
tried this a million times. I love this. It's super good. From Shanghai. I guess there was a Chinese man who went to England and tried some sort of candy from England. And then he went back to Shanghai and he was like, I'm going to make that candy. It was pretty good. So it's not that white. So this might be like the Matrix, follow the white rabbit. That's what they say. So who knows? Once we eat this, we could be down the rabbit hole. All right, white rabbit. I'm gonna take like a half a bite because I know that's gonna take me like 35 minutes to chew this. So I'm gonna go with half.
Yeah. Well, let me tell you, the first time I had this, little spoiler alert,
I like the whole thing.
looks like a wrapper. I got really, really confused the first time I saw this because I tried to peel this off. And I would peel and peel and peel and peel. And then my wife said, you don't have to peel, right? You don't have to peel this stuff. You could just eat it, which
Edible paper.
confused me. But yeah, if you see this, it's not plastic. It's actually part of the candy. There's no warning on the label at all. This is not plastic. That's my story.
They probably should warn you though, right? Because I did the
They
same
should,
thing.
right? Maybe in China they just assume, of course, you just eat it. We got cup. And
IKEA does the body good. I'm gonna say the
which one?
the tall one. Yeah, the apple one.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, I don't know what this is called. No idea.
Well, it's a good sign. It says hello, which I know is it's a very common greeting in English. So, and it also
It
says
makes me want to drink it.
it says Nutri Express. Express in English means fast. So Nutri Express, fast Nutri.
So we're getting lots of nutrition.
Lots of nutrients
very quickly.
Very quickly.
I'm assuming this is a yogurt drink. I'm just gonna
Yeah,
guess.
and it's a very, very happy-looking apple, right? Look at that apple. Very alive.
Well, it looks cut
Very,
up.
very alive.
It looks
so.
very cut up and very dead.
Yeah, I don't know if we were supposed to shake it or not, but it looks like
Yogurt drink.
yeah,
I think this is gonna be a
and it
yogurt
smells like yogurt drink.
drink. Oh, it smells delicious.
I'm gonna be
What is
disappointed
this
if it
called?
does.
Hello Nutri Express?
Hello something something, right?
Oh, it says
Oh, you know?
hello ni hao.
Oh, okay. I know that one.
Hello ni hao.
Direct translation. Yeah,
Ni hao means hello. That's what it says. Hello.
exactly.
So this is gonna be really good. I have fun.
Okay,
Cheers.
there you go.
Yeah, great.
Yeah, it does have an apple taste a little bit, right?
There's a touch of apple in there.
Touch apple.
I can't read anything on here.
No, that's
I don't know
why
what
the
it's on.
apple's bathing in the yogurt. That's why.
Ah, I did not notice the yogurt splashes coming
Yogurt
up there.
splashes. This is good marketing. Yeah.
I would drink this Hello Nutri Express drink.
Yeah, good. Okay, that one is easy, yes. Okay.
Yeah, that's a good. I like that one. I like
Easy,
that
yes. You want to try the manic child? This is my manic child.
one. So let's.
Means a lot of energy. Look at this kid. He's just loving life. He is, right? I'll get a shot of that. I think but he's drinking coffee, which is really weird. Like if you look at this, see? it's like an 8-year-old, 7-year-old.
Or he's
who just
making.
has, and not just any coffee,
Hold on,
not just any coffee. It's like he has like the like the latte art.
Yeah, he's making.
Yeah,
Latte. If you can,
like a 7-year-old with latte
if
art.
you can see that right there, he's making a nice little latte.
A little strange, but
I don't know if he's drinking that coffee. He might just.
he's making it for his mom.
Yeah, just got a little bit.
Oh yeah. So
So I don't want to. I'm gonna
Making the
do you
kids
wanna-
work.
Well, we're not going to share a straw. Mark.
you can have
I
it.
don't think we're. I
No?
don't think we're at that level.
Okay,
So
I
I
keep the
finished
straw.
I finished my apple yogurt drink, and I'm just going to throw it in there.
okay, go for it. I don't know. Drinks like that are meant to be drunk with a straw. But if it looks very similar to our yogurt.
I feel like this is going to be much worse. This is just milk. Yep, smells like milk. It's milk. Just milk.
Perfect.
Okay, sorry, that's sugar with milk inside. It's incredibly sweet.
That's why he's high.
Yeah,
This is
that's
why this kid is so
happy.
excited.
It's just full of
It's
sugar.
just sugar milk. Okay.
Wow.
Okay, if you give this to your kids, they're going to look like that for the rest of their
I mean,
lives.
I would drink that. I would
It
drink
is. It's very nice. Yeah, it's very nice.
If I were a kid,
If I were a kid.
if I were a child, I would drink that. I would definitely drink that.
So, okay, that's approved.
So, what's your favorite snack? What's your go-to? It's Friday night. You're home. What are you eating? Comment below. And if you like this video, click like.
Yeah, or if you have a recommendation, if you want to have us try one of your snacks, give us the name and ideally, I don't know what country. Yeah, what country you're from. Give us the name of what country you're from, and
hopefully we can get it
we can try to have a snack with
in
you
Singapore.
in Singapore.
So
So
that's it.
yeah, that's it.
Nice snackathon.
Happy snacking. Stay hungry.
Bye, kids.
I want to try.
Yeah. You want to try? You can try. Yeah,
Beaver.
you can try.